akaba ari restaurant ndetse hejuru akaba hakoreraho n'akabari mu minota mike cyane uko mubibona.
Just now, before 2 minutes, there was earthquake here in Gisenyi. And if you can see, they cut the road. People are saying almost this is a 3-street street.
Hazikujengwa mzuri, si kama nyumba ya mamateri ya nani ya itaji. Voilà, hapa niko Gisenyi.
Karitsiye yose wagira ngo ni ikirunga kigiye kurukira neza neza. Aha ni igipangu, murabona ko ibintu bikaze no kudusabira.